Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Quizumi.com. So Quizumi is basically an online platform that provides you with earning opportunity by playing game. As you can see, this is kind of a game application that is also available on Google Play Store, and if you want to play games and earn money with that, then this is one of the best opportunity according to their claim. And even you can grow your knowledge with Quizumi. So sounds pretty simple, right? So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, they have given a simple procedure to earn money and then withdraw your earnings by using in your current currency or maybe in your crypto wallet. So it seems like a good application. But once I tried to look for it, as you can see, it is available on Amazon, and I tried to open it up, it was no longer available on Play Store. So which raises concerns about its authenticity. And apart from that, you can download its APK using the APK Pro website, which was updated recently. And once I tried searching for it, domain name, it would register back in 2022, which means it had been in the market for about 2 years now. So this is a pretty much good signal about this application. So in conclusion, I would say, based on these mixed opinions, like it is not available on Google Play Store, but it was registered 2 years ago. So I would say, like, there is no harm in giving it a shot. Just try to play a game for maybe 1 or 2 days. Don't invest too much time initially, but try to withdraw your earning, and once you're able to do so, you can invest further more time. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.